Hello friends, welcome you in Research News. In this video we will see how we can remove the password from the presentations, means PowerPoint presentations. So we will start it here and you will see that it has a password. So we have to first open it by adding the password, and after open it you have to go in the file, and here you will see protect presentation. In that you will see encrypted document. In that we have to remove the password whatever we have given earlier. So we will remove this and OK. So this is how we can change password or remove the password from the PPT.